Master Agile Project Management, the Ultimate Scrum Course for 2025. Welcome. In this video, you'll get a quick overview of the Agile Project Management and Scrum Master class, designed to help you master Agile and land roles like Scrum Master or Product Owner. What this course is about. The course is structured in 2 levels: Meteor, Beginner, Foundational, and Senior, Advanced, Deep Dive. Both levels include core curriculum, bonus content, quizzes, case studies, and community support. You'll learn Agile principles, Scrum framework, backlog prioritization, sprint planning, risk management, and team collaboration. Key benefits and outcomes. Boost productivity, improve product quality, and deliver greater stakeholder satisfaction. Gain practical, real-world skills that help you transition into tech or agile roles even without a technical background. Prepare for Scrum certifications and roles like Scrum Master or Product Owner. Bonuses and extras. All enrollments include bonus modules like User Story Mini Course, Goal Craft in Scrum, and Scrum 101 coaching. Real assignments, interactive case studies, and community support are embedded to ensure you apply what you learn. Who should enroll and how to choose? If you're brand new to Agile, start with the basic level. It provides foundational knowledge in 52 lectures. If you already know Agile basics and want to level up, the senior level, 347 lectures, deepens your expertise. The course is for career switchers, aspiring Scrum practitioners, project managers, and tech professionals. This masterclass is your blueprint into Agile success. Whether you aim to lead Scrum teams or transform your project approach, this course gives you the tools, structure, and support to make it real. If you're ready to dive in, check out the link below to enroll and start mastering Agile today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more online courses.